of the most often overlooked rooms in the home, yet also one of the most frequently used, the laundry room can get short shrifted when it comes to our interior design plans. But a well thought out and pleasant area for cleaning our clothes and household items can go a long way to improving your day-to-day lifestyle, not to mention the value of your home. Take a look at these design suggestions from Better Homes and Gardens and consider what might work well in your laundry room. Good morning. I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. Today we're going to have another video, and welcome to Mark in the Mornings, having coffee with you. We're going to have another video on how to improve your home, how to take care of it, how to enjoy more of it, and perhaps increase the value. We'll do that by talking about secrets to a better laundry room. So we want to improve storage. These days, the laundry room often doubles as a part-time pantry, utilities closet, or sports center. Add an open cube storage unit and outfit it with wire bins or baskets, or install overhead cabinets. These types of additions will allow you to attractively organize the miscellany from other parts of your home. Number two, stack the washer and dryer. This is not something that I think is going to be real popular. It's a suggestion by Better Homes and Gardens, but it's one that I recommend only if you have very limited space in your washer and dryer. By switching from a side to side to a stacking washing machine and clothes dryer, you'll instantly open up storage footage in your laundry room. This will allow you to add a shelving unit, a large hamper, a pet station, and more. Add counter space. Your laundry room lifestyle will vastly improve if you have a wide workspace for sorting and folding clothes. If you don't have enough room to install a freestanding counter, place your front-loading washing machine and dryer side by side and install a butcher block on top. Install a wall organizer. The laundry room is often the receptacle for brooms, maps, and other household cleaning supplies. Get this cluster of tools that may be cluttering up your floor out of the way and neatly arranged by utilizing your wall space. An over-the-door shoe organizer can house rags, sponges, cleaners, and scrubbing tools, and a row of hooks can be used to hang brooms, mops, and the like. So don't forget the design. Don't neglect interior design touches when revamping your laundry room. Give it a new coat of fresh, white, or light colored paint. Add a washable floor mat or area rug, and personalize the space by adding tile or trim where it makes sense. Hang a photo, concert poster, or a fun quote on the wall. Touches like these will make your laundry room feel welcoming and help carry through the design for the rest of your home. These steps will help make your laundry room a spot that's both functional and pleasant for your entire family, and will check an important box on a prospective home buyer's list of things that they want. I thank you for watching today. I'm Mark Renner. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. This is my logo. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and recently I was honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. My contact information is scrolling below, but please feel free to call me or email me if you'd like any further explanation on any of my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this and my other videos provides you with the information you need to be an informed homeowner. Please give me a call at 402-690-1687 or email me at mark@markrenner.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and please be safe.